What if I told you that most people spend their 20s chasing money, and their 30s chasing peace? But what if you could have both? Here's the cold truth. If you don't master financial planning now, your future self will pay the price. So buckle up, because over the next 10 minutes I'm about to hand you the roadmap to a wealthy, stress-free life. This isn't just advice, this is a wake-up call. Let's get to it. Let's rewind. You're 25, working a job you kind of like and you think you're doing fine. But then your car breaks down, $1,200 gone, no backup plan. You realize you've been living paycheck to paycheck with nothing to show for it. Wait, does Starbucks count as an investment? Chuckling. Spoiler alert, your caramel macchiato isn't building your net worth. Here's the fear most won't admit. What if you work for 40 years and retire broke? The system doesn't care. Inflation keeps rising. Emergencies don't send invites. That's why financial planning isn't optional. It's survival. But how do you start when you're already behind? The answer will shock you, and we're about to get into it. Most budgets fail because they're unrealistic. You don't need a spreadsheet that shames you, you need a system. Use the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Yes, that means you, with the $89 gym membership you don't use. So, automate your savings. Use budgeting apps like YNAB or Mint. And hey, remember, tracking your money is like tracking your workouts. It only works if you're honest. Think of this as your financial bulletproof vest. 3 to 6 months of living expenses stashed in a high-yield savings account. It's not exciting. Until you get laid off, your laptop dies, or, life throws a curveball. It's not if emergencies happen, it's when. And yeah, when they do, your emergency fund is the difference between a setback and a spiral. But what if you want to grow your money, not just save it? Let's talk investments. This is where the magic happens. Imagine your money working harder than you ever will. That's compound interest. So here's the thing. Start with low-cost index funds. And, if you have access to Roth IRAs or 401ks, definitely use those. Even putting in just $100 a month can turn into 6 figures over time. Seriously, time is your biggest asset. Don't wait until you're ready. If you were ready, you'd already be doing it. Financial planning isn't about sacrifice, it's really about alignment, aligning your spending with your values. Ask yourself, does this expense bring me closer to freedom or further from it? Start tracking your net worth, not just your income. And hey, cut lifestyle inflation. Upgrade your life, not your liabilities. You don't need the latest iPhone, you need a retirement plan. So here's the thing, build multiple income streams, and make sure you learn high-income skills along the way. Try to stay debt-free if you can. Remember, you're not just managing money, you're building a life. If you've watched this far, ask yourself one thing: are you planning for freedom or just hoping for it? Most people wish for wealth. The smart ones, they plan for it. You don't need to be perfect, you need to be consistent. Start small, start scared, just start today. And hey, if you're serious about saving money while living smart, check out my video on Budget Rent-A-Car Exposed, where I break down exactly how to rent smarter, travel cheaper, and dodge hidden fees. Click it now on the end screen. Your bank account will thank you.